Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the verification required on App Store. Now first, what you need to do is to update your payment information. So just head to settings and then your name and then payment and shipping. From there, enter your passcode, Touch ID, or Face ID. Then update your payment method if it's expired or incorrect. Next, if you haven't added a payment method before, you'll need to do so. So again, to do this, head to settings and then your name and then payment and shipping and add a valid payment method. Next, you can also try to check for unpaid balances. So just type or head to settings, your name, media and purchases, view account, and purchase history. Now try to look for any unpaid purchases and make sure to settle them. Next, sometimes you might need to agree to updated terms and conditions. So just head to settings and then your name and then media and purchases and then view account and follow the prompts. Now, if you're part of a family sharing group, ensure there are no restrictions set by the family organizer. And finally, if the issue persists, try reaching out to Apple support as it may be your best bet for further assistance. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.